In this video, we're diving deep into Gozetex.pro to find out whether it's a legit investment platform or just another online scam. At first glance, the website looks professional, but looks can be deceiving. One major red flag is the lack of transparency. There's no clear information about the company behind it, no legal registration, and no way to verify who's running the platform. The site promises high and fast returns on investment, which is a classic tactic used by scam websites to lure victims. Real investments don't work like that, and any site making such promises should be treated with caution. We searched the internet for user reviews and found multiple people reporting they lost money after depositing funds into Gozetex.pro. What's worse, the customer support becomes completely unresponsive after you make a deposit. There are no reliable positive reviews on platforms like Trustpilot or Reddit. In fact, most comments we found warn people to stay away from the site. In short, Gozetex.pro raises too many red flags. We strongly advise against investing any money on this platform unless solid proof of legitimacy emerges. Stay safe and don't fall for fake promises. Have you dealt with this site? Let us know your experience in the comments to help others avoid getting scammed. And don't forget to subscribe for more updates on legit platforms and how to protect yourself online.